Hi, my name is Jamal Williams. I am 23 years old. I live in Detroit, Michigan, and this is my story about how I had no money, no car, but still had a big dream. I wanted to be a graphic designer, not just someone who makes posters, but someone who designs logos, apps, websites for real companies, for people who believe in ideas. But I didn't grow up with much. My mom worked two jobs. My dad left when I was 6. We lived in a small apartment with thin walls. Sometimes the heat didn't work in winter. We wore coats inside. I was a good student. But after high school, college was too expensive. Scholarships I applied, but I didn't get enough. So I took a job at FastBite Burgers. $11 an hour, flip burgers, clean fries, smile at customers. I worked 6 days a week, from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. I saved money, not much, but I bought an old laptop from a friend for $120. It was slow, it made noise, but it worked. I started teaching myself graphic design online. Free videos on YouTube, simple words, logo, font, color, layout. I didn't know what they meant at first, but I watched again and again. Every night after work, I sat at the kitchen table. Mom asleep, lights low, I practiced. I made fake logos for fake companies. Detroit Pizza Co., River City Box, Jamal's Beats, just for fun. I had no internet at home, so I used the Wi-Fi from the library or the fast food place across the street. I would sit outside in my car, but I didn't have a car, so I sat on the bus stop bench, phone in hand, connected to the free Wi-Fi from FastBite. People walked by. Some looked at me like, "Why are you here?" I just smiled and kept walking. One day, a woman said, "You always here." I said, "I'm learning." She nodded. "Good. Don't stop." I didn't. After 8 months, I made a small portfolio, a collection of my best work. I put it online for free, using a simple website builder. No fancy tools, just clean, clear designs. Then I found a website called Fiverr. People sell small services there. I made a profile. I will design a simple logo for $10. First week, no orders. Second week, one message. "Can you make a logo for my dog walking business? I want a happy dog with shoes." I laughed. I said, "Yes." I worked hard. Colors, font, shape of the dog. I sent it. He said, "This is perfect. Thank you." He gave me 5 stars and he left a review. "Fast, kind, and talented. We'll hire again." I read that review 10 times. I almost cried. Then another job came. Then another. $10, then $20, then $50 for a full set. Logo, business card, Instagram post. I saved every dollar. After 1 year, I had $1,200. I used $900 to buy a better laptop. The rest I paid for a real website, jamaldesigns.com. I started saying no to bad jobs. No more make it pink. I don't know what I want. I said, "Tell me your story. What do you believe in?" That's how good design starts. One day, a small coffee shop in Ann Arbor needed a full brand, logo, caps, menu, website. They offered $800. I said yes. I visited the shop, talked to the owner, listened to her dream. I want people to feel at home here. So I used warm colors, a simple cup with seam shaped like a heart. She loved it. She told her friends, then a bookstore called, then a music teacher. I was still working at FastBite, but now design wasn't just a dream. It was real. Then a big moment. I got an email. Hi Jamal, I saw your work on Instagram. I'm starting a youth program in Detroit. We need a full brand. Can we talk? It was from Mrs. Lena Carter, a woman who ran a nonprofit. She offered $2,500. I met her at a cafe, nervous, wore my only nice shirt. We talked for an hour. She said, "You listen, you care, that's rare." I got the job. I worked day and night. I created a logo with a rising sun and a young tree. Colors: green, gold, and deep blue. She cried when she saw it. "This is what hope looks like," she said. She posted it online, tagged me, my phone blew up. More people came. Some paid more, some just needed help. I helped them anyway. After 2 years, I quit FastBite. My last shift, the manager said, "You did good, Jamal." I said, "Thank you. This job helps me survive." And it was true. Now, I work from home. I have a small office in my apartment, a good chair, a big screen, and a sign on the wall that says, "No money, no car, but a big dream." I still take the bus, but I don't sit at the bus stop to use Wi-Fi anymore. Now I ride to meetings, to schools, to talk to kids. I go to high schools and say, "You don't need money to start. You don't need a car. You don't need permission. You just need a dream and the courage to try every day." One girl once said, "But what if I fail?" I said, "I failed every day for a year, but I kept going, and one day it works." I also started a free online class, Design Your Future. It's for young people with big dreams and no money, like me. I teach them colors, fonts, how to talk to clients, and most important, how to believe in yourself. People ask me, "Are you rich now?" I say, "No, but I'm free. I do what I love. I help others. I pay my bills. I help my mom." And every night before I sleep, I look at my laptop, at my website, at the words jamaldesigns.com, and I smile because I had no money, no car, but I had a dream and I never let go.